In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily copy YouTube video link on mobile. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, and guys. First off, you need to open up YouTube app. After that, open up YouTube video. Which link you would like to copy, let's say that one. And once it is done, all we have to just stop right here at the share button, and in this pop-up select copy link. What that will do, that will copy these videos URL to the clipboard, and now we can share it somewhere. Or we can just save it. To demonstrate you how it works, we can just paste it somewhere here to Note Up. Or we can head over, let's say, to some messenger, and then we can share the link in that way. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.